This is Excel Lesson 4's Understanding Order of Operations Step by Step. I have the file O4 Formula Practice Solution open, my file from the previous activity, where I created my first formula here in cell A1 by typing this information in. My answer was 15, but I can change the order of operation by inserting parentheses because parentheses are processed first in the order of operations. So the activity calls for me to place two parentheses before the 7, close parentheses after the 8, and close both parentheses after the 2. I'll then press enter. Oops. And if I had gotten my parentheses in the right place, I'm missing one before the 3, I would have gotten a different result of 18.5. All right, by forcing them to process the addition of 7 plus 8 and the division of 3 divided by 2 prior to multiplying those two values together, it changed my answer. Remember PEMDAS. Any exponents would be processed after any parentheses, and then any multiplication, any division, any addition, and then any subtraction, all done in that order. I'll go ahead and undo my typing. And then I will save my file as instructed in the assignment. Still to my class folder, still with my first name and last name, but we're now going to call this O4 Order of Operations Solution. And we're going to submit that to our assignment.